Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. My name is Joji and today we are going to discuss about CSS shadow effect. So let's move on to the lessons. Here we have a division which is having the class container, and inside that division we have heading and a paragraph. And in the CSS style document, I have written some basic styles so that the division will look like a small box container. I will show you how does it look like when you execute the page on the browser. So this will look like this when you execute the page on the browser. So our ultimate aim is to apply a shadow for this box. So when you're applying box shadow, we will be giving the value 5 measurements like 5px, 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 1px, and a color code. So in that first value, this 5px is the horizontal offset. And second value, this 5px is the vertical offset. And the third value is blur radius. And the fourth value, the spread distance. And the fifth value is for the color. Color means the color of the shadow. So what was the property? The property was box dash shadow. Okay, and I'm giving 5px, 5px, 3px, 1px, and hash 999. Okay, so that's a kind of gray color. So let me go back to my browser and refresh and see what is happening. So when I refresh this, you can see there is a small shadow happening behind this box. Okay, so we will change the measurement of each and see what is horizontal offset, vertical offset, and blur radius. I'm switching back to my CSS file, and instead of this 5px, I'm increasing that to 10px. Okay, so when I go back to my browser, once I refresh, now it is like this. Once I refresh, you can see the shadow is moving horizontally. So now I think you understand what is a horizontal offset means, right? So let me try to change the other value also. I'm changing the first value back to 5px, and I will change the second value to 10px. Let's see what happens. So when I go back in here, so when I refresh, so it goes down. So that's the vertical offset. So the shadow, how does it move vertically? Okay. And I'll switch this back to the previous value. And the third one, instead of 3px, I'm going to give 10px. So that's the what blur radius, right? Okay, so I'll go back to this one and I refresh, so you can see that increases the radius of the blur. Okay, so let us turn it back to 3px again. Then I'm changing like 1px to 10px. Let's see what happens. So I go back to my browser and refresh. So that's the distance of the shadow. Okay, so we will change it back to 1px again. Okay, so this is a shadow color. Okay, so I hope you understand what is box shadow and how to apply the box shadow to the boxes. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post. See you again. Bye for now.